How to create a Facebook page. Are you ready to establish your online presence and connect with your audience on Facebook? In this step-by-step tutorial, I will guide you through the process of creating your own Facebook page, whether it's for your business, brand, or personal passion. By the end of this video, you will have your Facebook page up and running in no time. Let's get started. Open Facebook app. Make sure you are logged in and you are using the updated version. Now click on the three horizontal line. Now click on pages. Now click on create. Click on get started. Now write the page name, for example, full page. Okay, now click on next. Select the category. Category, for example, you can add 2-3 categories. Now bio, contact details, number, location, city, zip code, and hours. I will leave it. Click on next. Now cover picture, profile picture. Click on next. You can give phone number or you can skip. Now you can invite your friends to like this page. Again, click on next. You can check these options or not. Now click on done. Wait for a few seconds. Now automatically your personal profile is being switched to your example page. Wait for a few seconds and congratulations, your page has been created. You may not see these options. These are from data provider. Ignore this. Wait for a few seconds and your page has been created. So that's it for now. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, click on like, subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next video.